Yes,
So,
ma'am.
all of you take page number 49. You're going to learn a beautiful poem today titled Blake's Tiger Revisited. Okay. So, we learned 2 stories and now we are moving on to a poem titled Blake's Tiger Revisited.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes,
One,
I can
right?
hear.
Ma'am, this one, right?
Yes. Did you all find the page in your textbook?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
A tiger in a cage.
Page number 49. Yes, yes. Yes, Amal. That's it.
A
Yes.
tiger in a cage.
Blake's Tiger Revisited. Okay. So just keep your textbook closed. I'll ask you when to open. All right.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
the title of the poem is Blake.
Hello, ma'am.
We cannot
Yes.
hear you.
Am I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. All right.
Yes,
Before
ma'am.
we move into the poem, I would like to give you a very short description about the poet. That is, lady poet called Michaela Morgan. Have you heard about the poet?
No, ma'am.
No,
No,
she's
ma'am.
not that
No, ma'am.
famous. We haven't heard about Michaela Morgan. Okay. She is a British author and poet. If you want, you can quickly take down a few informations about the poet. Michaela Morgan is a British author and poet. She mainly writes for children. Okay.
Spelling of Michaela Morgan.
Spelling Michaela.
Morga.
Yes. Here is the picture of Michaela Morgan.
Can you repeat?
Yes, yes. 1 second, 1 second. Can you all see the picture image here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Michaela Morgan. Michaela Morgan. Okay. She's a British author and poet. And poet. She mainly writes for children. Her works are mainly for children. Her works range from picture books to junior novels. Her works range from picture books to junior novels. That is why she's also called as an author. Picture books to junior novels. Then she has won the United Kingdom Reading Association Award in 1995. She has won the United Kingdom Reading Association's Award. She has won the United Kingdom Reading Association Award in 1995. She was also shortlisted for Blue Peter Book Award in 2018. She was also shortlisted for Blue Peter Book Award. Blue Peter Book Award in 2013. Okay, 2013. All right.
Can you repeat?
Yes?
Can you repeat the last point?
Ma'am, can you repeat the last point?
She was also shortlisted for. She was also shortlisted for Blue Peter Book Award. Blue Peter Book Award in 2013. Okay. Shall I change the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Blue Peter.
Okay.
Can you repeat Blue Peter?
Blue Peter Book Award in 2013. She was shortlisted for Blue Peter Book Award in 2013. Okay. So you have another image of the poetess. Yes. These are some of the books, important works written by her. Happy Birthday Sausage. Then The Beast by Michael Morgan. Then Respect, again by the same poet, no other. Then Walter Tulls. Okay, these are some of the important works by Michael Morgan. Walter Tulls, Respect, The Beast, and Happy Birthday Sausage. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
the poem which we are going to learn, that is Blake's Tiger Revisited. It is based on William Blake's poem, The Tiger. Okay, the poet has used a different spelling. Normally we write the spelling as Tiger, but in the poem you find a different spelling. That is to give emphasis for the central character in the poem. Okay, William Blake, the poet, has written a beautiful poem titled The Tiger. Okay, in that poem we find that the tiger is portrayed as a majestic creature and a fairy hunter. And we find the very opposite of what is there in William Blake's poetry in Michael Morgan's poem, Blake's Tiger Revisited. Okay, so children, just imagine yourself to be inside a room all alone for the entire day. How would you feel? You have imagined that the door has been locked from outside and you are supposed to remain inside the room for a whole day. How will you feel?
Very boring, ma'am.
Boring? Yes. Okay, boring. Then
Also,
one by one. Okay. Anan?
irritated.
Irritated. Amal? Come on. I just want an answer from you. You don't feel anything. Huh? No feeling at all?
Scared.
Scared? Okay. Angelia?
Yes, ma'am.
How would you feel when you are locked inside a room for a whole day? A small room, okay. Just imagine a small room. Not a
Thirsty.
spacious one. Yes?
Thirsty.
Thirsty? Okay. Ishal?
Lonely. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So write down all these points in your notebook. Okay. Whatever that you are sharing with me, write it down in the notebook or on a piece of paper. You would feel lonely. You would feel scared. Then what else? You might feel
Tensed.
bored, irritated. Ishal, anything else?
Alone.
Thirsty? Yes. Alone? Yes. Lonely and loneliness and alone. Almost the same. Pranav? Anything else?
Hungry.
Hungry, thirsty, lonely, scared,
Irritated, bored.
irritated, bored. Then what else? Sad,
Depressed.
frustrated.
There is no fan.
Yes, Emelina?
Hot if there is no fan.
Oh, yes. If there is no facilities,
There's
then
no light.
yes. If there is no light and fan, definitely irritation comes under all this. Yes. Hazza, you don't have anything to say? Hazza,
Yes, ma'am.
disappeared.
No, ma'am.
I can't see you here. All right. So all these kinds of feelings will come to you. Okay. So,
Very angry.
yes, angry also. You would feel very angry. You may think that why am I put in a room, especially in a very small room, where I cannot even move freely. All my freedom has been restricted. You cannot go out, you cannot play with your friends, you can't meet anyone, you cannot make a call. Huh? All those feelings comes to you. You feel so irritated, desperate, frustrated. You would feel sad, lonely. All those emotions comes to you. Okay? So the same way, just imagine how the animals would feel when they are inside a cage.
They feel lonely. They
Yes.
need freedom, right?
Will they have the same feeling just like us?
Yes.
Yes? How many of you
Yes.
agree that? How many of you agree to my statement? Will you feel the
But
same
they are
like
adapted with
us?
that.
They're also living beings. The only difference is that they do not have the capacity to talk and think. But
And
yes,
fried.
almost all of you agree to that statement. They would also feel the
Ma'am,
same.
but they are adapted with that.
Yes, very sadly, very unfortunately, they will become adapted to that. But they will have the same feelings just like we do have. Am I right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
that is what we are going to see
Yes,
in
ma'am.
this poem, Blake's Tiger Revisited. Okay, so in this poem, Michaela Morgan tells us that the freedom of the animals have been restricted once we put them under the in the cage or behind the bars. Okay, freedom of the animals are restricted to a great extent once we put them behind the bars or in the cage. And it does not have the freedom to move around just like it moves in the forest. The animal himself becomes the prey. Okay, that is what we are going to see in the poem Blake's Tiger Revisited. So, when William Blake wrote the poem The Tiger, in that poem, the tiger himself is the main character and he's portrayed as a majestic creature, a fairy hunter. But in this poem, the poem Blake's Tiger Revisited, written by Michaela Morgan, we find the exact opposite to that of what William has written. Okay, that is why the title has been given Blake's Tiger Revisited. Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. So this poem is written in order to present the physical and mental condition of a tiger in a cage. Physical and mental.
Mental.
Yes.
Well,
So when we consider about the mental conditions, just like all the points comes under just that we have discussed now. Okay. All the feelings and emotions comes under. And what about the physical condition? We just can't even think how we'll spend a single day inside a room when it is locked outside.
You won't be having any
Just
exercises.
imagine a week or a month has been spent inside the room without having any contact with the people in the outer world.
You will be.
Will we have a shining face, a smiling face, and a healthy body? Hmm?
no.
We will be weak. Weak.
Still
We'll be
will be
dull.
gone. Yes.
Totally done. Dull.
Yes, we will become very dull. The luster of the skin will be gone. The shining will be lost.
We'll become
The eyes becomes dull. We don't feel like smiling. We don't feel like talking. We become more and more desperate and frustrated, and it will ultimately affect our entire personality. The same thing is happening to tiger also. Okay, so the poet says that the tiger leads a miserable life, which is different from the life that it leads in the wild. In the forest, the tiger has a lot of freedom. All the wild animals have enough freedom to move around. They can move to any nook and corner in the wild. But once they are in the captivity, all their freedom is lost. So, with the change in its situation, it has become quiet. Have you heard the roaring sound made by tiger and lion?
yes.
Yes,
Yes,
at
ma'am.
least in the movies.
Yes.
Yes.
You might have visited zoo as well. Yes?
Yes.
We all visited zoo?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So when you go and visit the tiger or lion inside a zoo, how do they
They
appear
will move
in front
around.
of you?
Yeah.
Very active? Huh?
They will eat their food. Otherwise, they
Very active.
So they'll
Do
be
you find them very
sleeping.
active inside the
They'll be
cage moving
sleeping.
around?
No,
Sitting in the corner.
they'll be sitting in the corner.
Yes. Either you will
No.
find them sitting in a corner or
Oh, walking.
or lying down somewhere else or eating a bit of flesh that was given to them. Yes.
sitting quietly.
Yes, Emelina?
Sitting quietly.
Louder?
He's saying sitting quietly.
Yes, sitting quietly. Yes. So those are the views that we get once we go and visit tiger or lion inside the zoo. So the poet says that with the change in its situation, it has become very quiet and dull and has withdrawn with no interest in anything at all. To the tiger, life simply seems to be slipping out of his hands. When we can't do something to utilize our time, we feel that we are wasting our life. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Definitely.
Yes,
We
ma'am.
have to do something fruitful. If we have a lot of potentials within us, if we have a lot of capabilities within us, we have to make it fruitful. We have to utilize it. Only then we can be proud of ourselves as a human being. But once everything is restricted within us, we are no more worthy to be called as a good person. So the same thing is happening to tiger. Once it is imprisoned in the cage, we find that the tiger also has the same feeling, that his life is simply slipping out of his hands. Its days and night are long. There is no difference between day and night.
Yes.
Just think about our condition. During the daytime, we are very active. We do many things and we make ourselves engaged. And at night, we go to bed to have rest. But once we are in captivity, once we are put inside a room all alone, the day and night becomes the same. Do you agree with my statement?
Yes, ma'am.
No difference at all. Day becomes so long and night becomes so slow. Okay, it's hardly any space to move about. And there is nothing else to do except eat and sleep. So the only job that the tiger has got is to eat and sleep, nothing else. But what about its life in the wild? How does it lead a life in the forest?
They are free.
For its food.
They are free.
It moves
and
around
they can roam.
freely.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, it can hunt its prey.
Yes. They can play.
Sleep wherever.
Freedom from everything.
Yes,
Play
they
with
have
their
a lot
friends.
of freedom.
Play with their friends.
Yes, they can be with their
Friends.
Friends,
Oh.
family.
Yes, they can be with their own kind. All right. It yearns for freedom, but the sights and smell outside its cage are to dislike. So, once we are in captivity, we yearn for freedom. We love to get freedom. Then only we'll understand what is the difference between freedom and restriction. Okay, so the poet says that the tiger is forced to accept this condition of life behind the bars in restricted space. All right, and it looks the world with pale yellow eyes. All right, this is a short summary of the poem that we are going to learn. Now, I'm going to show you a few images of tiger. Yes. Can you see this picture?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. We can
Yes,
see.
ma'am.
Have a look at different images of tiger. How beautiful it is.
Wow.
Look at the color. It is yellow in color with black stripes. Okay. And Yes, below you can see the white color also.
Yellow color.
See the expression of the animal. It has a fierce look.
Water.
Yes. What kind of emotion do you find in its eye?
Very sharp.
Yes, very sharp
Sharp
eyes.
to catch its prey.
Yes, sharp enough to catch its prey. See how freely it moves in the river or in the water. Yes, behind the leaves, behind the grass, planning to hunt its prey.
Really
It has got a beautiful skin.
Skin.
The fur of the tiger is silky, smooth.
the pattern.
Yes, the pattern is very clear, evident. Lovely animal, right? Yes. We can only afford to see it in picture, not nearby. Of course, once we go to the zoo, we can have a look at it, but still. Yes. So, beautiful images of tiger. Now, look at this. What is this? What is the picture about?
Hunting a
Hunting its prey.
Catching
deer.
its prey.
hunting a deer.
Catching a
Hunting
prey.
Hunting its prey.
Prey. Running behind a deer. Yes, again, caught. Now look at this. What is the condition? The situation has changed. Yes, tiger has
Forest
been
people were in the
imprisoned.
cage.
It's behind the bars. No more freedom inside the zoo or inside the cage. Now, are you able to find the same expression on its face?
No.
No. What kind of emotion do you find on the face of a tiger?
Fear.
Angry.
Weakness.
Sad.
Yes, anger,
Frustrated. Angry.
Lonely.
Irritated.
loneliness, then
Irritated.
irritation.
Boring.
Sad.
Angry.
It's really dull.
Yes,
Hungry.
dull.
Angry.
Yes, anger. All the anger is there seen on tiger's face.
Hungry.
And
My face is like, why you are staring at me? It is my life.
Yes, yes. So we just can imagine what all feelings might be going through the mind of tiger, even though it cannot speak. We can read from its face. Okay, so different images of tiger in captivity. All right. This is a poem written by William Blake, The Tiger. Okay, I'll just read it for you. Tiger, tiger, burning bright in the forest of the night, what immortal hand or eye would frame thy fearful symmetry? In what distant deeps or skies burn the fire of thine eyes? And what dare he aspire, what the hand dare seize the fire? And what shoulder and what art would twist the sinews of their heart? And when their heart began to beat, what dread hand and what dread feet? What the hammer, what the chain, and what furnace was thy brain? What the anvil, what dread grasp, were its deadly terrors claps? When the stars threw down their spears and watered heaven with their tears, with his smile, his work to see, a little bit is not clear. He who made the lamp make thee. Tiger, tiger, burning bright in the forest of the night. What immortal hand or eye frame thy fearful symmetry?
Ma'am,
Yes?
ma'am, it is not there in the book, textbook. Your book is not written like this.
No, she just showed it.
This is a
Yeah,
poem
this
written
is
by
a poem
William Blake.
written by
Okay,
Blake.
William Blake's Tiger. I told you the poem that we are going to learn is based on, is just a contradiction of what Blake has written. Okay, so I just wanted you to know what the poem by William Blake. That's why I just showed you. All right. So I hope you got an idea about the poem that we are going to learn.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Time is up. So next class, when you come, I want you to do an activity.
Ma'am, we didn't start the poem, right?
Yes, we did
No.
not start. By the time we finish the introduction and the pictures, the time is up. Time is very limited for us. What can we do?
Wait 5 minutes.
Okay. So in the next class, when you come, you just prepare a web chart. Okay.
Means
Web chart. That is, write the central character in the poem tiger, and you just imagine what could be the dialogues
Like in small.
said by tiger once you go and visit it in the zoo. Okay, just write an imaginary dialogue by the tiger
Dialogue, like it's
in the rough book. You can do it in the rough book.
how much
Okay.
dialogues? I'm like a conversation.
Yes, it can be like a conversation.
okay, ma'am.
Okay, just an imaginary conversation or dialogue.
Ma'am,
Yes.
any feelings we can write?
Yes, yes, feelings, emotions, everything. We have discussed a lot of points today. Okay, how the tiger would feel once it is in captivity. So you can make a imaginary conversation, or
Ma'am,
according
in
to your
A4 sheet?
creativity, you can write. Okay,
Okay,
will you do it for
Okay,
next
ma'am.
class?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And we have
All right.
Yes, ma'am.
So we'll start with the explanation of the poem in the coming session. All right,
Okay, ma'am.
Hezza?
And we have to
She's asking whether we should do in A4.
A4 sheet we should do.
Ma'am, you told in rough book, right?
Yes, I told you can do it in the rough book.
In any paper, right?
Any paper. I want you to do it. Activity I'll give you later. Okay? All right? So don't forget to do that. We will start with the poem in the next session. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.